Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm very excited to see you back on my channel. So this video is going to be about very simple and easy hairstyle. I actually saw a video, I believe it was a TikTok or some kind of Instagram little video. I didn't save it, so unfortunately I won't be able to tell you where I saw this video. It's like a very quick 15 seconds short video about some ideas, so I decided to try it today. I have not done this hairdo yet, so we'll see if it works or not today. But a lot of times I feel like being a new mom, I don't really have time to like rewash my hair and restyle it and things like that, so I wash my hair probably 2 or 3 times a week. So this hairstyle should be pretty good on the days like a second and third day of basically fresh hair. And partner for today's video is the Dossier perfumes. I worked with them before, as you know, and absolutely love this brand. I have the new fragrance by them, so I just wanted to do like a little unboxing for you. So this brand makes very affordable but very high quality perfumes made in France, and they're vegan and cruelty free. And if you have some like perfumes that you absolutely love but they're higher end from like Ulta or Sephora and you cannot spend that much money on them, if you go to dossier.co website, they're very easy search that you can do. They're like the inspiration, let's say J'adore by Dior. If this is your inspiration, you can find something similar from their website, which is really cool. So this is how the box looks once you open it. It's this iconic scent, design, quality, no markups. Each perfume is about $29. They always run some promotion, so the more you buy, basically bigger your discount is for like free bottles and things like that. So this is the perfume that I got, is the Gourmet White Flowers. Notes are bergamot, green tea, freesia, and berries. And there's a little bit of a description about their company and about this particular perfume. And this is the bottle. It's very high quality. It's very heavy glass, and you get quite a bit. You get about 50 milliliters, and like I said, it's about $29 for 50 milliliters. It's like crazy value. And this is very fine mist. What I also love about it, oh, it smells so good. And what I also like about their brand is very quality of this fragrance. So if I spray myself with it in the morning, I can still, around 4 or 5 p.m. I can still smell it, which is, you know, sometimes you just use the perfume and it's gone within like 15 minutes. So this is not the case, and I absolutely love it. I'll post a link down below if you would like to check them out, but I really stand by their brand, really like them. So yeah, check it out. All right, so today I actually did have time to shower and wash my hair. Well, I have time to shower every day, but not to wash my hair. But my hair are pretty much air dried, not completely, but like 2/3 of the way. So I'm just gonna use the blow dryer to finish it up really quick, if it works.
I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday.
Okay, so now that my hair completely dry, I'm just going to brush this. And then I feel like I want to add some texture to my hair, so I'm going to curl it, but it's not really necessary. I feel like during this pandemic that I didn't really go see my hairstylist, and during the pregnancy I feel like my hair grew so much, but like a couple of weeks ago I ended up doing some highlights myself, and I feel like I did some damage to my hair because I did the first time highlights and it was too yellow, so I had to do it second time and overlap a little bit. So I feel like I got a little bit of breakage, and then also I had to do like a box dye to do a shadow root, to do like a little bit better, not so harsh transition. So let me guys know if I did a good job. But I have hard times finding, we just moved to this area, and I have hard times finding a place that I could, switch to do my hair, because it's hard to find the place for blondes that, specializes on highlights and things like that. And also it's even harder on a tight budget. So let me guys know if you did your own hair during the pandemic, and if you did, like, what are your suggestions? Were you more successful than me, or it also turned out not that great? Because after my last experience, I feel like I'm probably going to save and go to the specialists next time rather than trying to do it myself. I don't know. It's been harder than I thought. When you watch so many YouTube tutorials, you feel like you probably can do it. And you can, but it's not the same, because even though it looks okay like this, in my opinion, but if I do my hair up, it's just, I don't know. It doesn't look that great. And I didn't do much in the back, and I didn't do much on the bottom. So it's like all kind of jaggedy, all kind of weird. Anyway, I'm just gonna do a few layers of this curls. I really like the Hot Tools, so this is the Hot Tools curler. I don't have super busy day today. Kids are in school right now, the baby is asleep, so I have a couple of hours for myself. So I'm just like filming the videos and editing and things like that. So we'll see how the day goes. But I feel like most of the time I'm like very busy, because my kids go to school for only 3 hours a day. So most of the time kids are here, or my mom or Preston take them to the park. But baby really likes to be held all the time. So most of the time I'm just like either having a baby in the carrier, or just holding her in the bed, so things like that. So today I really want to take advantage. I actually decided to swaddle her in the morning, because I usually swaddle her at night, and around like 4 or 5 p.m. when she wakes up, I unswaddle her, because I feel like she wants to get out. But then when she's unswaddled, she wakes herself up with the this reflex that babies have. And I usually try not to swaddle her like all day long. So today I swaddle her in the morning, because the past couple of days it's been intense. Like, she only sleeps in the morning for like an hour or 40 minutes, and then she wakes up, and I have to do it all over again to like put her to sleep. And she likes to be rocked, so I rock her to sleep, but then I put her down, and like 5 minutes later she wakes up. So today I decided to try the swaddling, and I actually ordered like a new swaddle blanket, because we have some muslin blankets that are very thin, but I don't feel like they really they don't stay in place, so the baby can get unswaddled very easily. And also, once you move her from like if you rock her and then you put her in bed, sometimes it like unswaddles. So I ordered the stretchy one. I don't know what kind of, I think it says like a bamboo and something else. I try not to use the fabric that's like 100% polyester. But what let me also guys know what worked for your babies. Like, I feel like my baby just doesn't wanna sleep in a crib. She wants to be, hang out with us all the time. So let me guys know if you have any advices how to put newborn in her crib. Okay, so now that my hair are curled, I'm going to do like a very simple hairstyle. I'm just gonna turn around so you guys can see. So I'm going to section in the middle right here. I'm gonna make a little ponytail, and I'm going to put my hair through it.
You had me at hello. 'Cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. You can ride out the blue. I wanna do what you want.
Make it a little bit tighter. Then I'm going to take this hair, put them up out of the way, clip them somewhere right here. I'm gonna get a second band. Make another hair. I'm gonna make another ponytail. And I'm gonna scooch it all the way up, closer to the top. And then I'm going to put the second one through the first one on top.
I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
Now I'm going to make them both a little bit tighter.
Staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
And that is pretty much it. It gives you like very voluminous ponytail. I'm going to basically add some details, just pulling some hair out a little bit. But that is pretty much it. It's basically like a regular ponytail, but with like a little bit more detail to it. So I really like it. Let me guys know what you think, and what's your, what kind of hairstyles been favorites for you that are easy to do and kind of like wearable for everyday use. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you staying tuned throughout the whole video. Please give me your thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. I really appreciate it. And until the next time guys, I will see you soon. Bye.